Hello, everybody. We are going to show you real quick a spelling tutorial of how to work the different pages so that you know what to do in that situation. Because I know there's a lot of different tabs and things, so I want to make sure this video will explain how to do spelling for this week. We're going to see how it goes. Okay? So, day 6, which is Thursday, the last school day of the week. Yeah! We are going to look at the spelling section here, and it says Spelling Unit 15. Page 2 is due on March 30th. Words to know are in Google Classroom Spelling Unit 15. Okay, notice we have click on page 2, click on page 3, right? So these are all links that are going to help you. So let's first start with this. Our words are in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my classwork. I'm in virtual learning right now, and I'm going to go to Spelling Unit 15. And when I click on there, boom, these are my words for the week. Okay. Now, we don't have to do page 1. The only reason I gave you page 1 is so that you could use these words to help you do pages 2 and 3. Okay. So don't worry about this section. Instead, we want to worry about page 2, and we want to worry about page 3. Okay, now how do we do those? Well, we're going to go back to Mr. Mickey's Lessons 2020 page. We're going to click on page 2 here. Boom. All right, so that's going to bring up a page that looks like this. Notice I'm going to read the directions. It says frequently misspelled words. That's the theme of the week. It says skip page 1, like I said, and do pages 2 and 3. So this is page 2, word meaning. So you see how for number 1 it says real, true, factual? Okay, I'm going to skip back to show you what's going on here. When I go to page 2 in the thing, because we can't really write in here right now, we're going to use the form to do our answers. Notice number 1 says real, true, or factual. So when you go back, real, true, factual, this is where I can put my answers. Now this week, obviously it's a little different because these are the words that you can choose from. Okay, pursuit, peculiar, initial, league, courtesy, actual, and variety. So one of those words is going to go with this clue. And so what you're going to do then is you are going to click on the button that matches up. Okay, and then for number 2, first, beginning, introductory. Which word is going to match up with that? Initial. This might be Mr. Mickey giving you a hint. Ooh. So if this was the case, then I'm going to click on this dot here, right? And so you want to make sure 1 through 7, you have all different dots filled out for 1 for each row, okay? For the word structures, it's the same thing, guys. You just have different things going on. So you have words here, and you have the words here. So you got to match that up. Okay, now if you're not knowing what that means, you can go back to your sheet, word structures, add a suffix to each word to write a spelling word. You may have to change the spelling of the word before adding the suffix. So number 8 said usual. I'm going to go to that form. If we have to put a suffix on usual, let's see. Do I see usual in any of these? Oh, geez. Here we go. Usual. So I added a suffix, ly, usually. So I know I could put that for that row. Okay, and you're going to be adding suffixes to these rows as we go. The last part is using the dictionary. And this is going to be a part where it's different from this part. Okay? So instead, what's going on is we have the terms on the left, and we've got clues or hints on the top. So you just have to connect it. So for instance, number 14 is vacuum. Which one of these is vacuum? Something to help save money, a bunch of arranged flowers, a device to help you with chores around your home. That's looking pretty good for me because that helps me clean my house. So what I'm going to do is put vacuum for that row. Okay, and you're going to do the same for the remaining words. After you're done filling this whole thing, you can submit that for page 2, and I will get your results from that page. Okay. Now, when you're done with page 2, then you can go to page 3, and I'm giving you 2 days for these because they're due March 30th. Okay, so you go on there, and this one might be a little easier to follow because all you're doing is typing in words. Okay, you don't have to be looking at the multiple choice options or whatever. So notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to go all the way to 20. But the big thing is read the directions here. Complete the sentence on page 3. Type it correctly in lowercase. Otherwise, the word will be marked incorrect. So we got to make sure that when you click on that answer, okay, you spell it the right way and everything's lowercase. And then from there, you're going to get the word right. So let's go to page 3. Here we go. Number 1, please blank this receipt to show that you got your money back. So I'm going up here. Please blank this receipt. Please blank this receipt. So please breathe, please annually, please mimicking, please peculiar, please usually, please pursued, please variety, please visually, please vacuum, please bouillon, please coupon, or please courtesy, please picnicking, please actual, please maneuver, please initial this receipt. Please initial this receipt to show that you got your money back. That's something I can do. I can initial something to show that I did it. Okay, let's keep that in our pocket. Please bouquet, please league, please curiosity, and please pursue this receipt. I don't see pursue fitting in that way. So it's going to be initial. Please initial. So what I'm going to do then is go here, and I'm going to be typing in initial. It's all lowercase and it's spelled correctly. And I'm going to go on to the next one, number 2. And so I come back and it says, boom, your next one's okay. Notice, use this box for your bottom section. 12 through 20, you have to use these words. So that's kind of nice. So it's like a smaller word box for you to use. Okay. If you have any questions with accessing any of this, let me know. But I just wanted to show you a little bit about what this is all about. So I hope that helped for you. And you have a good rest of the day. And remember, this was due on March 30th, so you got some time. I just wanted to put it out there because some of you were interested in looking at it already. Okay? See ya.